Hi YouTube, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And today is a new year. We just entered a new year, the year 2022. And a lot of you guys are saying, Yvette, how can I change my life? How can I enter this year and do something different that wasn't done in the previous years? How can I manifest what it is that I want? Today, I'm going to give you some of my tips on what I think you should be doing at the beginning of the year, working all the way through the year to manifest whatever it is that you desire. If you want to have a car, a house, or a career, or a new business, or a relationship, or need something with health, this is the video to watch. I'm going to tell you what you should be doing, how you should be entering this new year to change your life. If you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that brings you that information that is easy to understand so you can change your life. So don't forget to support by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell for more videos like this. So now everyone, let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you what you should be doing for the year 2022 and any year afterwards? This is a powerful video because I'm giving you guys the foundations, what you guys should already be doing. And especially in the beginning of the year because you guys are setting that intent for whatever it is you desire. Now, I'm going to get right into it. The first thing you guys all must be doing, you guys must know what it is exactly that you want, okay? Because listen, it's important because if you don't know exactly what you want and you're asking for one thing 1 minute and the next minute you're asking for something else, you are basically confusing the universe. You're putting all these different things out there. So I'm going to tell you guys the first thing to do is to know exactly what you want. If you want money, why do you want that money? Do you want that money for a car? So is it really a car that you want? Do you really want a new job? So what is it that you're trying to do? Are you trying to buy a new house? So really focus on what it is you actually want at the final outcome, and it will help propel you guys forward. So now the first thing after you know what you want is to visualize what it is you want. Now, a lot of people say, well, Yvette, I'm not good at visualizing. Listen, if you can close your eyes right now and imagine an orange, you are visualizing. And if you actually take a bite out of that orange and taste the bitterness, you are really visualizing. Not only are you visualizing, but you are using your senses. That's all what visualization is. And I'm telling you guys, I only ask you guys to do visualization no more than a minute or two. You only need a minute of visualization to actually bring things into your life. The reason I tell you guys not to make it too long is because a lot of times we have negative thoughts or negative beliefs about what it is we're trying to manifest. And the longer you do your visualization, the more those little thoughts or those beliefs are going to come to surface. So keep it to 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can do it very quick in the morning, right before walking out the door, before getting out of bed. These things can be done so quick, it's unbelievable. And before you know it, it already materialized in your life. Now, the next thing is a power thing that I'm going to tell you that you guys all must be doing. Whatever it is you are desiring in your life, whatever it is you want right now, moving into the year 2022 or any year afterwards, you need to write it down, everyone. I can't tell you guys no more than what I'm telling you. You have to write it down. Listen, take your time. Enjoy. I went to Barnes & Noble's and I bought this and I just love this journal. I write in here exactly what it is that I want. Now listen, you guys, when you write, I want you to be brief, but I want you to be thorough in what you're saying. I want you to say whatever it is you're trying to manifest and write it out as if it is already done. Scripting is writing something as it is already done, not hoping for it to come, okay? So I tell you guys to use the thank you God method. Thank you God for blessing me with my new home, my new car, my new career, my new health. I'm perfect, whole, and complete. Everything that I just said was as if it was already done. Then I want you to Read it 3 times a day. Read it in the morning, read it in the afternoon, and read it at night. Now, listen, you guys, that's why I don't want you to write so much. Make it brief, but make it thorough. Okay? Read it in the morning. It takes 1 minute, 2 minutes. Read it in the afternoon. Maybe you're like on your lunch break and you just pull it out and you just read it. Read it at night. Whatever it is, I want you to read it 3 times, or you can write it 3 times. But I do want you to get out there and write what it is that you want and pay attention to it. Read it or rewrite it every single day. Now, the next thing I'm going to tell you to do is, and it's powerful, you guys, is the mirror work. I can't tell you guys enough. If you guys are trying to manifest something in your life and it's just not coming about, maybe you got a subconscious blockage that's inside of you that you need to release, that you need to let go. In order for you to manifest something, you need to release whatever it is in the past so that you can walk through the doors of now. Okay? It's just that simple. If you don't know how to do the mirror work or the mirror technique, please go to my playlist and watch the videos on the mirror work technique or manifesting technique. Now, the next thing I want to speak to you guys about is affirmations, but I want to tell you guys this a little different than what most people are telling you. Now, when you do affirmations and you're putting things out there, that is okay, okay? I want you guys to speak it normal, just as you would speak to yourself on any other day. Like, I am beautiful, I am happy. Look in your eyes in the mirror and say, I love you, I'm beautiful, I'm successful. Everything that it is that I want in life, it's already done. The reason I'm telling you to say it this way is because you're supercharging whatever it is you want in your life. You have to put the intent out there for it to materialize in your life. So I'm telling you guys, when it comes down to affirmations, keep it in the present tense as if it is already done. Always say things and be happy about it. Because if it was real and if it already materialized, you would be very happy. These are little things that I need you guys to do moving into the new year that is going to supercharge whatever it is you want for 2022 or any year afterwards. Now, I always give you guys a couple of tips at the end. And what I want to tell you guys today is we just spoke about visualization. We just spoke about mirror work, affirmation, scripting. I don't want you guys to go running around doing every single thing, every single moment. Pick what resonates with you and stick with it. If you like writing, write it out and read it and use that. Visualization is something you're going to do regardless. So you can always do visualization, okay? When it comes to affirmations, you watch what you're saying. You say, hey, look, I'm successful, I'm beautiful. Don't sit there for the next hour doing all of these things because then you're acting as if things are not going to come and you're bombarding the universe with all these manifesting techniques only because you don't believe. Pick something that resonates with you and go with that. Now, the next thing I want to bring to your attention is something I have right on that, this side, that side, I don't even know, that side, okay, is that I want you guys to create a vision board. If you don't create a vision board, take pictures, okay, for all you guys out there that just don't want to create a vision board. I do it all the time. Take pictures and post it around your home of what it is you actually want. By doing this, you are implanting in your subconscious mind visions of what it is that you want in your life. It's just as effective as the visualization. Remember, the universe don't know what's real and what's not. It just knows what you're giving it. And remember, you guys, what you're giving it most of the time is how you feel and what you're thinking. So watch those thoughts throughout the year. If you guys just set the intent to eliminate negative thinking. And if you are thinking negative, trying to catch it and changing it with something positive, you are already that far much ahead of everyone else. These are powerful things that I would tell you guys to do for the new year, to bring in that new year to manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, the last tip I want to give you guys is listen. No stress. Don't keep looking over your shoulder to see if it's coming. Let it go. Enjoy life. Go to the park. Go out with your friends. Go have a couple of drinks. Whatever it is you want to do to make yourself happy, be happy. And before you know it, whatever it is that you did is going to manifest. And you're going to turn around and not even know where it came from. So if you want to manifest whatever it is you want in your life, try incorporating some of the things that I just spoke about. Try to watch the things that you're doing and use some of these techniques. And I'm sure whatever it is that you want is going to manifest. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. This is a Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel. So support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell for more videos. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com where you can get one-on-one coaching from me. You can also go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com where you can find anything on my videos there for purchase. Again, this is Yvette and namaste.